Tired of spending money on bottled water or worrying about the quality of your tap water? Say hello to the Brita Faucet Mount System, the easy, eco-friendly way to enjoy cleaner, great-tasting water right from your faucet. This sleek, compact filtration system is not just stylish, it's incredibly powerful. It reduces 99% of lead, chlorine, and other contaminants while being made without BPA. Now that's water you can trust. Let me show you how it works. The Brita Faucet Mount System installs in minutes. No tools required. Just twist it on and you're ready for filtered water whenever you need it. It features a convenient switch so you can toggle between filtered and unfiltered water with ease. Perfect for cooking, drinking, or even filling up your reusable bottles. One of my favorite features, the built-in filter change reminder. It takes the guesswork out of maintenance, letting you know exactly when it's time to replace your filter. And speaking of replacement, it's a breeze. Just pop in a new filter and you're good to go for up to 100 gallons of clean water. By switching to the Brita Faucet Mount System, you can save money and reduce plastic waste. One filter replaces up to 750 standard 16-ounce water bottles. That's better for your wallet and the planet. Quick cut to a graphic comparing bottles saved with the Brita system. Cleaner water means healthier meals, tastier drinks, and peace of mind for your family. And with the Brita Faucet Mount System, it's also easy and accessible. Ready to upgrade your water game? The Brita Faucet Mount System is the perfect choice for clean, reliable, and eco-friendly water. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start enjoying the difference. Because clean water should be simple, affordable, and always within reach. Text on screen Brita Faucet Mount System, clean water made easy.